Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix HP Smart Tank 580 printer keeps beeping, error meanings and step-by-step solutions. Fix 1. Restart the printer. Turn off the printer using the power button. Unplug the power cord from the printer and wall out. Wait 60 seconds. Plug the printer back in and turn it on. Check if the beeping has stopped. Fix 2. Check for paper jams. Even a small piece of paper stuck inside can trigger warning beeps. Remove all paper from the input tray. Open the front access area and inspect for jammed paper. Check the rear paper part if accessible. Remove any debris carefully. Reload paper and try printing again. Fix 3. Verify paper is loaded correctly. The printer may beep when it detects no paper. Load a stack of clean, unused paper. Adjust the paper guides so they lightly touch the paper edges. Press the resume button if prompted. Fix 4. Check ink levels and tank caps. Low ink or improperly closed ink tanks can trigger alerts. Verify all ink tanks are above the minimum level. Ensure each ink tank cap is fully closed. Wipe away any spilled ink around the tank area. Fix 5. Inspect the print heads. Open the print head access area. Ensure both black and color print heads are seated correctly. Remove and reinstall them if necessary. Make sure no protective tape or packaging remains on the print heads. Fix 6. Check doors and covers. The printer may beep if a cover is not completely closed. Close the front access door firmly. Ensure the printhead latch is locked. Verify all ink tank lids are secured. Fix 7. Look for error codes. If the display shows an error such as E1, E3, E4, E6 or E7, address that specific issue. E1, E2, paper size mismatch. E3, carriage jam. E4, paper jam. E6, general printer error. E7, ink tank empty. Fix 8. Update printer firmware. Open the HP Smart app. Select your printer. Check for available firmware updates. Install any updates and restart the printer. Fix 9. Contact HP support. Visit the official HP support website and select your printer model. Use the HP Virtual Assistant to diagnose printer issues. Check your printer's warranty status before requesting service. Contact HP via live chat, phone, or email support. Have your printer model number and serial number ready. Follow any troubleshooting steps provided by the HP support representative. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.